have a dream that one day
I have a dream.
And I have a dream.
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 That we will understand that we are all more alike than we are different, whether it be races, ethnicity, whatever it may be, and that together that we're united, because united we stand and divided we fall.
The community will continue to prevent pollution and improve the environment.
That our kids will shape a world where anybody will be free to follow their bliss without fear of prejudice or bias.
That the diversity of the Urban Forest Management Division in the future will reflect the diversity of the community that we serve.
I have a dream that one day people around the world, they will live in a clean environment and drink clean water.
Hi. I have a dream that Fairfax County will keep being a world-class organization to work for.
One day, our planet is greener and better environment for all people to live here.
I have a dream that all residents of Fairfax County will have access to quality infrastructure that protects human health and the environment.
Everyone can live and work in peace and harmony with love and mutual respect toward everyone they meet.
That one day we will look up from our busy days with the understanding that everyone we meet is a valid person worthy of the same respect we want for ourselves. It should make no difference where we are from, how our name is pronounced, what we look like, the way we speak or dress, or anything else that makes someone stand out from what our individual bias and narrow experiences tell us is typical or normal. Instead, my dream is that we take the risk every time to welcome anyone new in our lives with the best of intentions as potentially valuable allies in a complicated